Hi everyone, welcome to Rap4 TV. Today I'm going to demonstrate the installation of the Rap4 RAS retractable buttstock for the Tippmann A5. You start the installation by removing both the top and bottom cap pins from the A5. Next, you remove the back cap assembly, and when removing, be careful not to let the inner spring or pin fall out. Just push back into place until the new Rap4 stock cap is in place. Next, you install the new Rap4 RAS buttstock cap using one bottom buttstock pin for the bottom hole and the special supplied top buttstock pin for the top hole. Make sure that the top pin is flush with the outer body molding so as not to interfere with the operation of the retractable buttstock. Using an Allen wrench, you can adjust the locking mechanism button using the adjustment screws as shown to tighten or loosen the release latch. To insert the stock, just depress the top button and slide the stock in until the latch clicks and adjust to your desired position for comfort. The installation of the Rap4 RAS retractable buttstock for the Tippmann A5 is now complete. You are now ready to show off this solid accessory for your A5 to all your friends at your next scenario mission. If you have any questions on anything you saw, you can contact us by email at info@rap4.com. Thanks for watching.